It's time to gain that bigger, leaner, stronger, more athletic, and massive back by using the most effective machine in the world, your own body weight. And on today's video, I'm going to be showcasing some of the most effective body weight only variations that you can perform absolutely anywhere to take your physique to the next level. What's up team, Conor Sloan here, specialising in helping men lose and want body fat and building muscle by mastering their body weight. And on today's video I'm going to be showcasing some of the most effective mass building back exercises that you can go ahead and perform absolutely anywhere by using the most effective machine in the world, your own body, to help you build that leaner, stronger, more athletic and more powerful back. So let's get into it.
Comes on till the lights go out, till my legs give out, can't shut my mouth till the smoke clears out, and my high progress. I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse, till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my legs give out, can't shut my mouth till the smoke clears out, and my high progress. I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse. She's so on like a light switch, flirting back. There's nothing wrong with the way that she's working that. I just want that body bad, come on baby, bring it back. I'm so gone, faded off a 30 rack. She's so on like a light switch, flirting back. There's nothing wrong with the way that she's working that. I just want that body bad, come on baby, bring it back. I rap with a passion, yeah, I got it in me. I've been waiting quite a long time for y'all to hear me. It's about damn time you put some stock into me. You're either sponsoring me or fucking bothering me. And the fact is, we just practice on this madness. That is why your status is like a canvas. Chances our advancement is enhancing, and this new expansion's like a mansion. Comes off till the lights go out, till my legs give out, can't shut my mouth till the smoke clears out, and my high progress. I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse, till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my legs give out, can't shut my mouth till the smoke clears out, and my high progress. I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse.
So team, there it is. There's some of the most effective mass building back exercises that you can go ahead and implement into your next workout routine to help you build that bigger, leaner, stronger, more powerful and athletic back. Team, if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what more videos you want to see, and also be sure to subscribe so you never miss a video. Have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one. So thank you for checking out the video. For more videos just like this, please be sure to subscribe. If you're interested in working alongside me with my bodyweight transformation coaching program, click the link below. If you're interested to watch another video, click right here. But in the meantime, it's Conor Sloan here, helping you lose and want body fat and building muscle by mastering your body weight.